Hey, what's up guys, Sports Guy here, and I'm going to show you my airsoft gear that I'm going to use on Friday. Yes, I am going airsofting on Friday, so I'm going to show you the gear. First, I'm going to show you the chest gear, the thing that I wear under, my, vest, and then my vest. So, I did show a video, I'm not sure, 4 or 3 Sundays ago maybe, of my vest. So now I'm going to show you what I wear under it. Basically a snowboarding jacket for good protection. I'm going to put all of it on. So right now, I'm putting on my jacket. So yeah, looks nice. So this time I have a black vest. Very nice. That's 2 mag pouches right here. Clipped one in. So, put all of it on one by one of my review. This is very protective. I used it in a battle once. I got shot in the arm. I could barely felt it. I felt it. You know, I barely did. So, this is my stuff. I have this on. It's pretty, I don't know if you can barely even see the vest. But, got the 2 mag pouches here. And if I find a little, like, flashlight that everybody clips on and it, like, points forward and it looks like kind of like a pistol. But now I'm going to show you the gloves. Here's one glove. I see the other one. They are Mustang gloves. If you haven't heard of the company, great company, make good airsoft gear. You see they have a little padding here. I'm going to put these on after. Here's the other one. I'm going to put my headgear stuff on, you know. I did show in a different video the headset and headgear and stuff. Obviously, here's my cage. I showed it in a video before. If you don't see it, go to my channel. Just click on the video. I think it's my airsoft gear called. Or something. So I put on my cage first. As you see, you can see my mouth right now. This is not a hospital bracelet. This is my orthodontist bracelet, by the way. Right now, I gotta get this on. Nothing showing. Then my helmet. Gonna clip it. So now I got all of that on. Now I got my gloves. And I'm not going to put on the scarf, but here it is, and I'm going to show you the gun that I'm using. Wherever it is. Not that. I don't like it. I don't like that. There we go. Here it is. Here's the baby I'm going to use. Right here. Mag's not full. Putting the mag in. So you can put 2 mags in. If I get another chest thing, you can put like 4 and 6. Very hard to though. And I'm not gonna put the mag in if I can't right here. I can put the mag in. Right now, got the gun. Mag's upside down. There we go. Here we go. Here's all my airsoft gear. Hope you like it. Very protective. Got a nice gun. Got nice gear. Now, thank you guys for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time. This is Sports Guy signing out.